What's up? Welcome back. My sign name, and today we are learning family signs. So first, family. It's F with both hands, and it's like a circle. Family. Family. Second one and third is mom and dad. So in American Sign Language, girl signs are usually below the nose, and boy signs are more like up here. So first, mom. Dad, and then grandma and grandpa is just moving it forward. So grandma, and then grandpa, and then brother and sister. So brother is boy, and then brother, and then sister is the same thing, but you go to the chin. It's like girl, sister, brother, and yeah,